uMmusi Maimane ufuna bona abantu ababalweko baphenywe kulandela insolo zokuthi i-ANC beyisebenzisa i-Eskom ukuzenzela imali ekubalwa nabongqongqotshe becabinet. Kubalwa ungqongqotshe wezamabhizinisi wombuso uPravin Gordhan batsho nguye owatshelwa ngendaba zobukhohlakali kunye nongqongqotshe wezamandla nezenjiwa uGwedemantashe.
I'm requesting that the allegations that Mr. Reiter has put together, that the South African Police Service be compelled to come and get a written affidavit for him to confirm the following. The first is the said identity of the high-ranking ANC politician he speaks about. Secondly, the identity of the cabinet minister who he highlights.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa naye akhangasale. uMaimane uthi uzokusebenzisa umthetho ukuthola ilwazi bona athole imininingwana yomhlangano wecabinet bona indaba le yakhulunywa na emhlanganweni loyo njengoba kubonakala ukuthi kunendaba la.
I'm not going to allow Mr. Ramaphosa to lay off the hook here. I will certainly be requesting for cabinet to ensure that it suffices whether an investigation did in fact take place. Furthermore, whether the president took any particular action upon allegations of corruption, particularly that sabotage a state-owned enterprise and a national key point as is Eskom. That is, the president confirmed that he, at the State Capture Commission, that the African National Congress is accused number one, and therefore what actions did he take?
Kodwana nanyana kunjalo kunomcozululi ovumelana noMaimane bona uyazwakala bona ulila ngani. Maimane uthi nanyana udirector angakhambe enarheni le amaphiko wezomthetho angasebenzisa imithetho efaneleko bona abuye azokwethula ufakazi obufunekako.